Hello friends, it's been a hot minute that I went on a live on my Facey and Instagram. Been doing lives on my immigration accounts, but not so much on my personal ones. Happy Friday. I'm here on the beach. Excuse my sunglasses, but it is bright. It is very bright. It's a beautiful day. So, I just thought I'd share with you a few things. So, the title is Feeling in a Funk. Do this. So this week, I have been feeling in a funk. Is there anyone else who's been feeling all the feels? Give me a like or comment if there's anyone else who's been feeling a bit low, a bit down, a bit flat. So yes, so I don't know, so I couldn't put my finger on it because there was no, event or person or anything that upset me or happened. I just felt really flat. And so I've been doing all my things, so I've been training every morning, I've been sleeping well, I've been eating well, just my regular routine, which usually keeps me quite happy and chirpy and, all the things. And yeah, so this week I just couldn't shake it off. It was like, just hanging around like a bad smell. So this morning I was like, okay, I gotta do something different, because clearly what I'm doing is not really working, and I wanted to get rid of that feeling because, like I said, it's completely legit if you feel sad about something, or we're human beings, and there's currently a lot going on. There's a lot going on. The vibration globally is really low. There's a lot of fear and anxiety, and it's impacting us because we are all one, and we're feeling the energy from the planet, from the fellow humans. And so this morning I thought, okay, I want to do something different. So I went to the beach and I went for an ocean swim. And I gotta say, it's working. I'm feeling $1 million. And my message to you is, sometimes you just gotta switch it up. If something isn't working, or if change is like a holiday. So change it up, change your routine, and see what happens. If you have any other tips on what you do when you're feeling a bit low or feeling a bit flat, let me know. I think Instagram just froze, but we're still live on Facebook. And I'm just really grateful that I have, obviously, I know that not everyone is living near the beach. I'm really grateful that I do. I'm really grateful for the life that I have created. And if you don't have a beach, maybe you have a forest or the mountains nearby, or even if it's just doing something. You know what's good for you. That is so important, that you know what is good for you, what feeds your soul, what makes you happy, what makes you feel grateful. Gratitude practice is so important as well. And so have a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day to have a beautiful day. It's all what you make of it. It is all what you make of it. It's all coming from inside. And share in the comments what you do when you're feeling in a funk. All right, beautiful people, have a good one. Ciao for now.